Ajay. I'm from grade 6.
My name is Avanika. I'm from grade 6. My name is Kiran Swardan of grade 6.
Today our science project is rainwater harvesting and how to conserve water.
As rainfall, the water gets back, sweeps and back. As you know, all precious water is rainwater. In this way, rainwater harvesting method, which gets collected from tank and it will go to the filtration tank where contains the filter. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, I am Akleshwar. Here we are explaining about modern life and village life. Good morning, myself Amta Tej. I am explaining about seasoning clothes. Clothes are one of the basic thing in life. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Woolen clothes are good in summer season. Woolen clothes are good in winter season. Raincoats are used in rainy season. Thank you.
Miss Ananchoria, I am studying second class, C-section, Nalanda High School. My practice directions east, west, north, south.
The teller machine is ATM. Is a compound machine that is user of privacy and deposit and balance include without need of human insurance time.
My name is Bruhan. I am studying in first class. My school name is Nalanda High School. My project work is well water is groundwater. Well water can be free once the well is established. Thank you.
Sri Nayan. I am grade 4. I am doing project work. Science today. Water purification. In the first stage, we use large rocks or stones. These large will help filter large utilities.
Before dirty water, sand will be filtered out and the smallest impurities. Activated charcoals. Activated charcoals remove chemicals and impurities from water.
Water removes unpleasant odors, taste and collect water in containers for drink. My name is Devansh. I am from grade 4. At last we can collect purify water. If we drink that water without purify, our health may be risk consuming viruses, contaminants. If we drink that water, our health may affect like cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc. Thank you. A superpower, big rush of water. It's it may whole thing that spinning thing up to generators. Thank you.
Ma'am, our project is about heroes of freedom. He is Bhagat Singh. He is Alluri Sitarama Raju. He is Lal Bahadur Shastri. He is Chandrasekhar Azad. He is Mahatma Gandhi. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. He is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Thank you.
Now my name is Priya Vinash. I am studying grade 5. Good morning, my name is Mozambil. I am grade 5. Good morning, my name is Masir. I am studying in grade 5. My name is Nate. I am studying in grade 5. My name is Vignesh. I am studying in grade 5. Now we are going to explain about solar energy. The sunlight will come on this solar panel and this solar panel will get heat and this light will come. Solar energy is generating power which is directly or indirectly and is sustainable and renewable source of energy. Benefits of solar energy: zero emission, energy independence, low operating cost. Thank you for visiting our project. Happy Science Day, ma'am.
My name is Shravya. I am from grade 4. Good morning to all. This is our project Yogasan. Give us numerous benefits to our body. Yoga is a physical, mental and spiritual practice. Yoga gives us flexibility and strength to our body. Thank you.
Syed Hamda. I'm from grade 5. Indicate how to play mini buzz wire game. Hold the metal loop a wand carefully. Place it at the starting point of the buzz wire. Slowly and carefully move the wand along the wire, trying not to touch it. Thank you. My name is Abdul Arham. I am studying first class. My project is a moon about shapes. Very happy International Science Day. Today we shows the Jantavi, which is usefully we can keep fruits and vegetables for 1 month. This which is prepared by our team. Thank you.
My name is Madhuri. I am studying in third scholars of Nalanda High School. Today we did project on good habits and bad habits. Good habits are brush your teeth morning and night. Bad habits are don't wear dirty uniform. Thank you. I am from grade 4 scholars. I can see I have pasted some pictures and 3D ones. This is our national bird, peacock. National animal, tiger. National game, hockey. National tree, banyan tree. Our country in this only there, madam. Or you can call us globe. My name is Moksha Reddy. I am studying grade 2. My project name is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater collect into tank. It's go to filter tank. Filter after it's go to storage tank. Storage tank. This water used for house gardening. Thank you.
Well, my name is Muntasar. I am studying in second class. From about a small wheel with a grow around its outer edge. This is a small wheel moves round a fixed axis to hold a rope or chain in position. My name is Sastrikash. I study in 4th class. Today, things we get from plants: peanuts, rice, dal, dry fruits, masala, mineral, cloth, medicine, moong dal, seeds, lachi, carrot, tissue paper, plums, masala, peanuts, penguin seeds. Thank you.
Summer season is the hottest season of the year. During summer season or days long and nights are short.
This is Sharika of grade.
This is Varyan. I am studying grade 1. My school name is Nalanda High School. My project work is traffic signal. Red means stop, yellow means ready, green means go. Please stand with ready. I am first, second standard Nalanda High School. Tent house, boat, solar house, building. My name is Kashish. I am studying in grade 2. My school name is Nalanda High School. Today my project is living things, non-living things. Living things need food. Living things can grow. Living things can move. Living things can reproduce. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things cannot grow. Non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not reproduce. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am explaining about traffic light. Red yellow light comes ready, light comes go.
My name is Julia. I am studying in first class. My name is Nalanda High School. My project is house. Good morning everyone. My name is Julia. Hi, my name is Man. I am PP2. This is my first project work. This is a Dettol. This is a tablet. This is a mask. This is a injection. This is a cotton. This is a thermometer. Thank you. Good morning, madam. My name is Bhavit. I studying PP2. My project is types of houses. This is apartment. This is a house. This is a igloo. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. My name is Marty. I study started this computer. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Good morning everyone. My name is Pranav. In UKG, my project is water animals, fish, starfish, turtle. Good morning, madam. My name is Nihal. I am studying UTB2. My project is traffic light stop. It is waiting. It is go. Good morning. My name is Sanmukhi. LKG. Nalanda School. Not suffer. Sweeper. Traffic police. Silent. Good morning. My name is Aishadan. I studying grade PP2. My school name is Nalanda School. This is my season's project. Summer, rainy, winter, spring. Good morning, madam. My name is Sastra. I am studying in LKG. For old people who help us. Teacher, nurse, doctor, watchman, barber, people, traffic police, farmer, parent, postman, fireman, lawyer, postman, policeman, plumber, milkman. Good morning, ma'am. Suppose nursery, London school, apple,